How to approve Play Store apps and add into device profile. Step 1. Logging into NovaEMM dashboard. Step 2. On NovaEMM dashboard, click on Play Store. Step 3. Search for apps which you wanted to add in your device. Click on Searched Apps. Click on Approve. On keyboard, tap Scroll down and click on Approve. Click on Done. Click on bottom close text to go out from Play Store. Step 4. Click on Device Profile. Step 5. Click on eye icon to add Play Store apps. Step 6. Click on package name. Select package and click on Add. Application added successfully in selected device profile.